Welcome back to From My Tiny Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you the easiest chocolate cupcake recipe to make. It's not only really tasty, it's super moist, and check out that chocolate fudgy-like texture. All the chocolatey goodness in one cupcake. These are the ingredients for the chocolate cupcake. Remember, the recipe is in the description. Start off this easy recipe by mixing the hot water and cocoa powder together. Mix until smooth and then keep aside for later while preparing the rest of the ingredients. Into a large mixing bowl, add in the sugar, followed by the eggs. Then mix together until smooth. Then mix in the oil and milk. Followed by the cocoa powder and water mixture, as well as the vanilla extract. And the final step is to sift in the dry ingredients. Mix until you no longer have any lumps of flour. Don't forget to scrape down the sides with a spatula to get any unmixed bits. I find an easy and mess-free way of getting the batter into cupcake cases is to pipe them in. When filling the cases, leave about a centimeter on top to account for rising. And then bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until an inserted knife or skewer comes out clean. Check out the cupcake and muffin playlist for more ideas on how to decorate these delicious cupcakes. My personal favorite is the chocolate and hazelnut cupcake recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.